Ni lek kai softball ke jela ke bentuk yakin ni lek kai kentai bet cenderang kelami na ke nongba penishim mentah ke senior national championship ke basau pun riu ke sedang naduk ke arpu terik haduk ke apun riu terik urimpang mentau nai ha Amravati Maharashtra. Na kaliang ke Meghalaya Softball Association hine kasi kala penlong ke jingyalang ban ai kublai kitbok kitwiang ya kani ke kinhu ni lek kai. Habakran hakajingelang Presiden kesenjuk Dr. Amanwar ula ai mensia bikin lek kai bikin lek kai bhabat ben pen i ke sap ke pong ke jongki kenang bikin la ban wan ra ya ke jingjob hakajela.
You have worked very hard all this time. And then you had that 1 week camp. You showed yourself. We had tournaments. And with each and every tournament that we had, we saw the improvement. And I'm very, very confident as what the secretary had already said. You'll come out with flying colors. But remember, when we go out of the state to represent in any discipline, remember you are ambassadors of the state. And the most important thing is that Gor Kaburam, Tagari Nadu of Fimi Nangni, Hadu Pinapoy to Vachaka, but pure pie.